We guys, look what we found. Yes, lot of toys, guys. This is a doll, animal doll. Look, can see? Wow, many kind of animal dolls, guys. Yeah. Okay, let's call it one by one. Wow, it's a cat, guys. Look, can see? We so cute cat, yeah. Yeah, let's call it. Wow, this place is next to us. See? Okay, and then this is the beer. Whoa, beer is so big, yeah. We can see. Wow, awesome. Let's call it. And then, wow, this is a rabbit. Wow. So cute, rabbit. Okay, let's call it. Wow. And then this, the long tail. Wow, this is mouse. Wow. So cute mouse. Yeah, let's put it in. And then, wow, this rooster. Look. Wow. Awesome. Let's call it. And then, wow, this pig. Let's call it. Wow, this is the fish. Nemo fish. Look, Nemo. Wow, so beautiful fish, yeah. Look, wow, a lot of them. Look, wow, so cute. Let's call it. Wow, this is goat. Yeah. It's a goat. Wow, so cute goat. Let's put it in. And then this is the wheel. Look. Oh, so big wheel. Yeah. Awesome. Let's call it in. Wow, I'm happy. And then this horse. Wow, look at that. Wow. Look. Wow, he fell. So cute horse. Let's call it. And then this is the cow. Wow, look, produce the milk. Wow, so cute. Okay, let's put it in. And then there's a chipmunk. Wow, jump. Wow, so cute. Cool. Let's call it. And then, wow, chipmunk, guys. So cute. Let's put it in. And then this is the pig. Wow, cute. Wow, doll pig. The pink color. Wow, awesome. Hello, guys. Wow, I think we already correct all of the dolls toys, guys. Look. Yeah. Okay, guys. We're gonna see you on the next video. We're gonna collect all of the toys and then we can play with our friends. Okay, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Bye.